Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a pink and fresh haul to share with you. OMG, all of this was up to 50% off on their site. So let's go ahead and get into this. Look what I got. I got some nice goodies from Pink and Fresh Studios, and these were actually on sale. So every so often they put their clearance on sale from 50% off deals and then 75% off, and it goes up from there. These are actually 50% off of the regular price. Yes, yes, yes. I love Pink and Fresh because they have a lot of the flowers. They have super pretty flowers, and what I like about them is they also give you the option to get the stencil and the coordinating die. I like the stencil because I do ink blend. I would do a video on this because I do love this technique that I do with this one. But yeah, let me show you what I purchased. So the first one from Pink and Fresh, it is called Grant Yourself Grace, and they are flowers. Look at that, beautiful flowers, and they are a big stamp. You do get some sentiments. You are perfect exactly the way you are. You are always enough. You don't have to feel ready to be ready. Believe in yourself and your abilities. By doing what you love, you inspire others and grant yourself grace. Real pretty. And of course I got the coordinating die. Now you don't need to get it, but I like, instead of fussy cutting, I just like to go ahead and cut it. And then of course the stencil, and you get multiple layers so you can do your coloring for your flowers. I love this. Love, love, love. And then the next one here is called Painted Daisies. Look at that. So of course I got the daisy. This one's more for like set for your the main piece of your card. So I got the daisies stamp and the coordinating die. I love those. And then also, of course, I also got the stencil. So you get the three. And then the next one, what is this side? Next one is just, this one is Best Wishes. And this is just the plate. I thought I ordered it, but I don't think I did order the stamp. So I gotta check that out. So I got that one. This I could still foil and just paint it with my watercolors. And then this one is called Sweet Day. That is a birthday cake. I got this to celebrate birthdays. You can even use it for Valentine's Day actually. But look at the stamp. Got the stamp, and it does come with enjoy your day and hope your day is sweet. So of course I got the stamp, the coordinating die. This one actually had foil, like a foiling, so you can foil, half foil, and of course the stencil. So I got those three. So this one, the four. I got that. And then the next one I have here is Grow Wild. Look at the flowers, they're so gorgeous. I got that one. And this one got 2 sentiments. It says, my heart is full because of you. Let your dreams grow wild. So I got the coordinating die. And yes, I got the stencil. I love these. Let me know in the comments, have you used any of the Pink Fresh stamps and dies and what you thought about it. This one is called In My Heart, and look at that frame. So I had to get the frame of the flowers and the greenery, and this one has a lot of sentiments on there. I'll read a few of them. It says, thank you for brightening so many days. Just thought you should know you're amazing. I want you to know you are loved. How nice is that? And then it got the coordinating die. And then the stencil. Love, love, love. The next one I have here is hibiscus. I love hibiscus. I got this one because I want to be ready for some summer crafting, because I do have a flamingo themed dies, so I want to get this especially for that. But look at all that, real nice. And then it does have some sentiments. It says find rest within present moments. Thanks for lifting my spirits. I hope you find joy in the mess of things. Look at that. And then I got the stencil, the coordinating die. And then the stencil. Love that. And then the last thing I hauled is the stencil here. And these are really, actually they're really long. They're bigger than, if you have Tim Holtz, they're longer than that. These are actually about 9 7/16. Actually 9.5. Wow, so that is a big stencil. So yeah, that is pretty much my haul I want to share with you. And the only reason I knew they were having this sale is, of course, I subscribed to the email. So do subscribe to the email so you don't miss a deal. Let me know which one is your favorite. I like the birthday stuff. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you don't miss a new video. And please give me a thumbs up to let me know that you like the video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.